Notice we have some rust to deal with, so we'll probably sand back. Hi, and welcome back. I think tonight we're going to finish out the tailgate. I bought another one of these, so we're going to use it to kind of get in the little corner. Sorry about that. Probably use it to get in the tight spots. Use the other ones kind of on the flat surfaces, but I can tell cats are in here tonight. Anyways, said use this tonight. Clean it off, paint it. That's about all I want to do. Then we may flip the tailgate up next time and take the blue paint off the back. Let's get over there and I'll show you how it looks from last time we did it. This side turned out pretty nice. It looks really good. Hard to tell it was like this before. So tonight, basically, just gonna do like we did over there. Probably had some issues around the letter, so I'll probably use that wire wheel first, get all the seams, and try to get around these letters. I'll come back with the scrub pads, as I call them. If anybody from Avanti Pro is watching this, hit me up. I really like this product. Anyways, use those to strip all the paint and rust off with, and then we'll paint it and call it good. We might flip the tailgate up next time and get it, because we're still waiting on to get this thing where it can go back and forth. Till then, we'll probably jump back over here, probably with those, and take away all the paint and everything on that side too. And this whole area will be black, except for the transmission tunnel up there and the pans we hadn't got put in place yet. Anyways, let's start on this and get this done right quick. Well, got it done. Notice we have some rust to deal with, so we'll probably sandbag down around that and try to weld that up, and may go along here, finish that back piece out with the wire wheel. But see, I got a little thick paint there, but I think it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than what was there. Actually, this whole thing, I'm starting to like it a lot. But next time, probably try to fix that best we can, and and grind this down all the way through here and paint it. And if we get that far, we may come in here, or we may lift the tailgate up first and start taking the paint off there, and then end with fixing this and painting that for next time. I don't know. We'll be back here in the back end somewhere. Yeah, I think it's gonna turn out nice. Really want to wash all the dust out of it, but oh well, we're slowly getting there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.